Alright, let's start today's video. Oh, that's good.
With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you.
Sorry if I sound stuffy. My allergies suck. So a few things I want to talk about before this video gets rolling is the last video that I did with my GoPro. The footage was completely blown out. I guess the EV controls for the GoPro are not on the GoPro, it's on the app. For some reason it wouldn't let you adjust it on the GoPro, so that was kind of weird. So I figured that out after I filmed. But some of the footage I used wasn't completely blown out. I cut out the parts that were just completely... There were some sections of the forest that was completely white. Like, couldn't see anything at all. It was so blown out. So I figured that out. I'll correct that next time for sure. Okay, so, and also I'm going to be doing like an intro before the intro. Just to kind of like switch it up. So every time I start the video, it doesn't like be super repetitive. Because the intro scene is just the same, and I've noticed that from the last two videos. And just look, when you start the video, it looks like the same thing every time. So I'm going to do a little something in the beginning, like today I made breakfast, and then I rolled the intro. But also, talking about the intro, I need to come up with a channel name. I need a name. I have no idea what it will be, because I have to throw my name, overlap it on my intro with text, explaining, not explaining, but just having the channel name on it. My intro will continue to change as I get more content and more cinematic shots, so then it'll look more diverse and different. It's not just like one kind of generic, you know, thing.
Wanna say hi? Come here. So, say hi. Say hi to him. Alright, give me a second. I'll be out.
And yeah, so the video for today, we did some paintballing. It wasn't today, it was like a week and a half ago. Some footage that I got. It was spin the bottle with paintballing. So we would stand in a circle, spin the bottle, whoever the bottle lands on, you would go back, grab the paintball gun, and then everyone else would run, and you just kind of try to see who you could shoot. We had like... It was different every time. So I got GoPro shots and some drone footage. I didn't have my camera. I didn't... Oh, you better chill, dude. No. I didn't have my camera. I did sell my camera and got the... I got the A7 III. Nismo really has to go to the bathroom. So I got drone footage and GoPro footage, and that will be shown here. So here's the video. I'm gonna go take my dog out.
Let's go, come on.
Hesitation? Well, damn. Because I know they're fake, but I just wish they were real. Oh yeah, and we also, if you get hit, you can't automatically just pussy out and sit out.
Yeah, Brendan.
Oh, it's gonna hurt, dude. Oh, man. I don't know, man. Run, motherfuckers! This is such a bad idea.
Alright, are we doing two per right now?
I'm at 26.
Alright.
Can someone just get hit first?
Do it, please.
No, I want to see someone's reaction.
I'd rather just take it on the run.
Bro, like, where's the GoPro? You have one.
Do you
I
want to
have
be closer
one.
to the gun or you want to be closer running?
I don't know.
Shoot.
I don't know. Do you have the other GoPro, Colton, or?
In the car. We're going to test it. So let's just see how this spins.
We're not shooting right now, right?
Yeah, no.
Let's all, so we know who's
Wait, let's do it.
We have to rotate.
No, it's not ready.
I want to do it.
Let's just all decide. So when it lands, everyone, let's agree who it lands on so there's no confusion, okay? So like this would be... Kill it. Okay, perfect. Okay. Perfect.
Oh god, I'm scared.
This
Who wants to spin the bottle?
I'll spin it.
All right, boys.
Hold on.
Oh my god!
Two shots. How many bullets are in it?
Two. There's two bullets.
No, we need.
We're just gonna see. We're gonna start with two.
All
See
right.
where it goes.
All right, boys.
Someone's getting hit.
After something.
Yeah. Make sure it's out.
Holy shit! I don't want to drop this. Do it.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Here. This is where
Yeah,
I
yeah.
spot. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Like going right here.
God damn it, you kill.
There's people.
Oh,
It completely stops, kind of.
Dude, I thought I was off right there, and then I look up with the gun, and the people are like, "Did you hear me?" Bro, stop! I didn't hear you. I just
once you're done shooting, you should like yell something.
Wait, is it good to go?
Yeah.
Sure? All right.
I was terrified. I already.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, give me.
Okay. God needs to be closer.
Fuck.
No one's been shot yet.
That's.
You guys are gonna...
It's a pie chart. I think you get your pie.
Yeah, you.
Oh, okay.
Until you're there.
That's way
Yes, sir.
All right,
Now go for it.
go.
All right, let's go.
They'll
Let's
probably
go.
laugh their ass off.
What? Was it funny? Yeah, it was pretty funny. It's still like it still does not aim at all.
Bleeding on my ankle.
Dude, I'm running better without.
I feel like I'm like some kind of vlogger right now. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Hey, what's up, boy? It's your boy, B-Dog. Dude, yeah, it definitely breaks skin if it hits you.
Oh yeah, maybe we should just freeze them next time.
A 5?
Yeah.
That could have been it too. We could have.
Ready?
Oh, I got hit in the arm. Oh, you got me. I didn't hurt that bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Definitely stings a little. I got paint all over me.
Dude, I looked over and it's just like.
Gun close, so we don't have to run so fucking far.
Okay, ready?
Call it though.
There's a dude right here though.
Call it.
Yeah, we gotta say the name.
Me. I watched them explode out the chamber. Wait, really? Yeah. No, the whole barrel is coated in paint right now.
Definitely me, Brent's like me.
I don't know. We can look at the footage.
Yeah, like with the gun.
I thought it was you. No, that was Dylan.
I don't give a shit. I'm gonna shoot him back.
Totally Dylan.
You got me twice, Dylan. I'm getting you at least once. I'm not gonna lie. You were in the back of the pack, and I totally aimed for you.
I'm like, wait, what?
You just gotta like spray it, bro.
No, I was trying to, but I literally, you could see them explode out the barrel. Yeah, you know what? Karma.
You got one on?
All right, boys. We're here. Best of luck to you, gents.
Sir.
Here we go. Not me. Fuck you, 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 fuck you. You cut me off so many times, bro.
No, I was close.
And she got me right here on the elbow. Got the ankle pretty good earlier.
I'm just waiting for the time. It's gonna hit me soon. I'm just waiting.
Let's go check in with the other boys and see how they're feeling about the old paintball game.
Shaking some
What are we
poles,
thinking?
baby. You know, I'm hoping I get shot or at least can shoot you.
Ready for what?
Get her spinning up.
Always warming up.
One second.
Have you seen this thing? Oh yeah, you did. Let's shoot this with the paintball gun. Like, it's a sketch.
Cookie.
Let's go, baby.
Best of luck.
Let's go.
Best of luck. Best of luck. Best of luck. Here we go, boys. Spin the bottle.
That's Brendan.
I don't think so.
All right, let's go.
Oh my god, I'm tired. Hold on, wait. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're ready.
Me. Dude, I straight up went over the gun. What? I forgot the gun was so close, so I like jumped over it.
I did?
No, so when it went on me, I forgot the gun was so close, I literally went over it.
Dude, I flipped up the bat right here. I thought I was fucked.
Dude, as soon as I started running, I started like going like this. There you go.
I like being far away from it.
Who'd I get?
Honestly. What?
Who'd I get?
Sam.
Sam, I got you.
It's not that.
Did I get you? I got you. I didn't get you? I think I got you.
Cookie, I'm not gonna lie. If we get
thought I did.
I felt something. I didn't
It was like a little tiny something. It didn't like break
it's
that.
gonna be like a 5-star.
To be fair, if we waited for the bottle.
But no matter what, you're just gonna get
Yeah.
it?
So whenever
Okay.
it stops,
How many
I'm just
rounds?
gonna go.
5
Okay.
rounds?
Oh, and wait till what?
5 rounds?
5.
6.
Yeah.
5 or 6. All right.
All right, boys. 3, 2. Wait till it stops spinning.
Yeah. Don't you jump early on me.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! You fucking fell! You got twice! I got Ryan falling. That was awesome.
Oh my god.
I got you falling.
Oh, God.
Wait, where's the third one?
All right. Well, that's the end of this one. We will be posting videos every Friday. Make sure to check back in, and hopefully we'll have some more creative content coming. Gonna keep building as we go. Dylan's absolutely killing it. We all love being a part of it. Until next Friday, go ahead and, like, subscribe, maybe give us a couple comments, whatever all those YouTube people say. And stay sexy.